Welcome to Car Updater, your trusted destination for car reviews, automotive updates, and everything you need to know about the latest rides hitting the roads. If you're into cars, especially high-performance electric vehicles, you're going to love today's video. We're diving into the 2025 Tesla Model S Plaid, one of the fastest and most advanced EVs available right now. The 2025 Tesla Model S Plaid continues to push the boundaries of what an electric car can do. From performance to tech, this car is in a league of its own. With a sleek, low-profile design, the Model S Plaid looks futuristic and elegant at the same time. The exterior hasn't changed drastically, but small refinements in the trim, wheels, and lighting give it an even sharper and more polished appearance. The flush door handles, minimalistic lines, and aggressive stance still make it one of the best-looking electric sedans on the road. Inside the cabin, Tesla keeps its signature minimalism with a wide horizontal touchscreen in the center and a second screen for rear passengers. The controversial yoke steering remains, but there's now an optional round steering wheel for those who prefer a more traditional setup. The 2025 model comes with updated materials, improved fit and finish, and an even more responsive infotainment system. The sound system has also been upgraded, providing immersive audio quality that enhances every drive. Performance is where the Plaid really shines. With 3 electric motors producing over 1,000 horsepower, the 2025 Model S Plaid rockets from 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds. That's supercar-level acceleration in a 4-door luxury sedan. The top speed is electronically limited but still exceeds 200 miles per hour, and the instant torque makes every drive feel thrilling. Tesla has also worked on improving thermal management, so the car maintains performance even during extended spirited driving. Range remains strong with an estimated 390 to 400 miles on a single charge, depending on driving conditions and wheel configuration. Tesla's supercharger network continues to expand, making long-distance travel more convenient than ever. Charging times are fast, with the ability to gain over 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes at a high-speed supercharger. Driving dynamics are more refined too. Tesla has fine-tuned the suspension and steering to give the Plaid more agility and better road feedback. Whether you're on the highway or carving through winding roads, it offers a balanced and confident ride. The regenerative braking is strong and smooth, making one-pedal driving easy and efficient. On the tech front, the 2025 Model S Plaid is equipped with the latest version of Tesla's full self-driving hardware, although the software is still evolving and subject to regulations. It includes features like autopilot navigation, smart summon, and automatic lane changes. While it's not fully autonomous yet, Tesla continues to move closer to that goal with every update. If you're looking for the ultimate mix of performance, technology, and electric luxury, the 2025 Tesla Model S Plaid is still hard to beat. Car Updater is here to keep you in the loop with all the latest from the world of cars, so make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching Car Updater, and we'll catch you in the next video.